Hello students, welcome to Showed Up Sir classes. In today's discussion, I will be talking about budget line equation. So what was the budget line equation? It was m equals to px plus pyy. Now we'll see how in the change in px or change in py and how the change in money income shapes the budget line to the rightward or leftward. So first what we'll do is we'll draw the equilibrium level of budget line, and where IC is tangential to budget line at this level. So this is the equilibrium level of budget line and IC. This is the equilibrium. Now it was given as P at this level, X is 0, so this is Py and this is m by Px. Now in today's discussion our focus is on when Px or Py changes or when m changes, what happens to budget line. That is whether the budget line shifts rightward or leftward or it changes its slopes. Now we'll see. So first we'll take the example when Px changes but Py and m remain constants. So first the first scenario we'll take the case where Px changes but Py and m remains constant. So in this case Px changes, so what happens is that, see, if you see, look at here, that is, it is written m by Px. So if Px increases, so it is quite obvious that m by Px, which is this point, will fall, so it will shift to the rightward. And it is also quite obvious that from the basic concept of demand, that is, when price of one commodity increases, say here the price of X say increases, so the consumption of that commodity falls. So when price of X increases, the m by Px falls, the budget line changes its slope, keeping the first one remaining here. AB now becomes AC. So budget line changes its slopes and becomes a bit steeper. So what happens when price changes? The price of one commodity changes, keeping the price of other and money income constant, the slope of budget line changes. Now, if the price of Y changes, say, now we'll take the case where price of Y changes. So now where price of Y changes, say increases. For the example, we'll take the case where price of Y increases. So as a result, what happens? As a result, the m by Px or m by Py, which was there, it falls. So now the budget line from here, it becomes like this. So budget line comes this side, so it becomes steeper. So similarly, if you keep on changing Px or Py in different ways and keeping the other price constant and money income constant, the slope of the budget line will keep on changing. Now we'll see when the shift in budget line takes place. Now suppose the case where price of X commodities, which is Px, and price of Y commodity, which is Py, both changes. So when the price of these two commodity changes, what happens? As a result, you know, it is written m by Px here, it is written m by Py here. So when these two changes, say Px and Py both have increased, so the budget line shift downward simultaneously. So when these two changes, budget line shifts downward, and we call it shift in budget line. So you see when one price changes, other remaining constant, or money income remaining constant, the budget line changes its slope. When the price of two commodity changes and changing the money supply, then the shift in budget line takes place. Now we'll take the case where money income changes. Where money income changes, say M changes. What happens when M changes? The budget line shifts rightward or leftward. If your income changes, the budget line shifts to rightward. When income decreases, budget line shifts to leftward. Now, what we'll have to do is here, we'll derive initial curves from these two equations. But we won't do it here in this video. We'll do it in the next video, where first we'll draw the budget line, and due to increasing money income, how budget line shifts to rightward or leftward, we'll investigate it in the next video. Now, if you have any query or doubt regarding this concept, you can WhatsApp me on this number 9836 793076, or you can also go to our website, which is www.sourabhsirclasses.com. There you will get a lot of other videos like this. Now for today we'll finish it here. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you.